So what is it? Is it motivation or is it discipline that causes a plan to become a goal, a dream to become a reality? Quite frankly, you need both. You need both discipline and motivation. It's in the synergy of motivation and discipline, a well thought of plan actually becomes a reality and gets converted to results. The goals that you set for yourself are achieved only when discipline and motivation come together. What is motivation then? Well, motivation is the process that initiates, that guides, and maintains goal-related behavior. When you look at motivation, well, motivation can be intrinsic or it can be extrinsic. We say motivation is intrinsic, when you got that intense desire, that passion to pursue and achieve that goal. We say it's extrinsic when motivation is birthed because of external factors such as people, support group, the content that you consume. We say motivation is positive, and we also say motivation can be negative. When you say motivation is positive, then that motivation is a result of reward, recognition, the applause, the appreciation of people, and all these factors. When we say motivation is negative, primarily fear is used as a factor to drive a negative-based motivation, which culminates in negative consequences. What then is discipline? Well, discipline is that dogged determination that causes you to do what you have to do, irrespective of whether you like to do it, whether you're in the mood to do it or not. Motivation inspires you to action. Discipline causes you to persevere in action. Take, for example, you want to get in shape, you want to get fit. Well, it's motivation that causes you to sign up to a gym. It's motivation that causes you to get a good nutrition plan that works for you. It's motivation that that causes you to get that gym gear and even take you to the gym for a number of days. But hey, you know what? That's when discipline kicks in. Discipline is what causes you to do that extra rep. When you really feel so devoid of strength, you want to give up, you want to head home, but it's discipline that says, hey, no, do that last rep. It's discipline that causes you to hit the gym even when you don't feel like going to the gym. It's discipline that wakes you up when you want to snuggle in and sleep for a little while longer. But the problem is over or only dependence on either discipline or motivation. For example, if you are only relying on motivation, you will encounter days when you run out of motivation. When you know that what you have to do, but you just don't have it in you to do, so you're just not motivated enough to do it. If you rely completely and only on discipline, well, you will come through a phase when you will struggle under the demands of discipline. You'll be frustrated, you'll be tired because of the demands of discipline. Therefore, you need motivation to complement discipline, and you need discipline to complement motivation. You see, when motivation and discipline work in tandem, that is when you are in the zone and you've created the right atmosphere, may I say, to ensure that your goals indeed become a reality. Tandem, discipline and motivation. I would encourage you to introspect. What are the goals that you're pursuing right now? Right? Are you operating out of a only motivation space, or are you operating out of a only discipline space? You need both. And when you give yourself both discipline and motivation, right, that is when you are guaranteed to achieve your goal. Thank you for watching Leadership Vocabulary. I would encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You will be informed of content that I put up on faith and on leadership.